old school shit.
Yo, vibes. You wanna take it first, man? Yo.
I let the beat drop. I wait a second, let the beat drop. I went my boy Eddie, we let the beat drop. Wait till it comes, yo. So I make you.
Now check these cats.
We make them. Yeah. I make me niggas run cause I'm with my boy Eddie and we spittin' just for fun.
Yeah, we're spittin' just for fun, but we got mad guns, so you don't wanna catch the stun.
You don't wanna catch a stunt while we hit you with the bullet. Me and my friend Eddie here, we tryna pull it.
Nah, we're not on the trigger, but we're going off the mental over this mad smooth instrumental.
Smooth instrumental cause you know we wanna run, and we spittin' this track just for fun.
Yeah, freestyling on the daily, wanna catch a cunt, man, you could just call it Haley.
Call it Haley. I know this girl named Haley Caddy. I might shout you out on the track, B.
Yo, shout out to all the B-boys who wanna smash decoys and you wanna employ this.
Employed because B-boy is an appointment. I'm with my boy Eddie and you know we don't toy, bitch.
Use Tyrone, reppin' the 4 elements, 6 and tenements, and you don't wanna catch the detriment.
You wanna catch a detriment, you wanna catch a switch, bitch. I hit you with this thing and I know I blind and switch, and then I wanna switch like switch B. I switch to switch on and I switch it off B.
Yo, switch off the light cause it's kinda like nighttime when you wanna kick rhymes and kick crimes.
Kick crimes like fucking crime fighters. They call me Superman and I ain't no biter.
I'm the kid Shogun from the Shaolin, going off the mental and the spirit cause it's within.
Within the heart, within the spirit, and I don't rap, cause you know I'm kinda coherent.
Yo, it's in my emotion, we cause commotion, and we mad devoted to every potion.
Every potion, cause you know we on the devotion, and I'm spitting hard like I need lotion.
We need lotion to stay smooth, flowing on a mad groove, keeping on the move.
Keeping on the move because you know we gotta keep it like a steady flow. Waterfalls, y'all already know.
You already know we're keeping it nice, and we're taking your life, taking a bit, slice by slice.
Slice by slice, yeah, precision cuts. I work for a brand in Cutco, yeah, nigga, that's what's up.
I see this kid's trying to get nice, so we gotta make him envision his afterlife.
Envision my afterlife, I might be causing after my death. Slip my neck and I make you sit the rest.
Yes, I'll slip the rest, so I get you one full rest, going the full depth.
Full death, 6 feet under, and I hit you like Thor, man, I'm talking thunder.
Ooh, I felt thunderbolt, like Gatorade, on the crusade, blowing up like hand grenades.
Hand grenades, we should send those to hater rays. The haters wanna talk because they wanna move like Gatorades.
Hate gang, now our whole crew hang. You don't wanna get with the swords like Wu-Tang.
Woo! Moving like Shaolin. Wu-Tang is a master that's deep within.
Yo, 36 chambers of danger. You don't want to step to this stranger. We got more labor than Power Ranger. You don't want to get with this mad mangler, strangler. You don't want to get with this wrangler.
Strangler, mangler, I'ma hit that motherfucker up and I'ma mangler. Hit you with the baseball bat, then I'm getting a dangler. After fucking building a 6 feet under, 6 feet under, I mean a 12-story building. And then I be on that shit because you know I be chilling and killing and busting these triggers and killing these niggas. I linger in the dark cause you know I just start hitting.
Yo, I'm Mad Shadow, wanna come fatal with the Ankado, don't wanna come through that maestro. I kick like Taekwondo, busting a mad flow, spitting that shadow, ado, clap. I come through with the verbal attack and you might just get smacked. Watch the earth jerk back and it hands you your purse back cause I got manners and I'm that commander.
As the world turns, the B-boys learn, and we spit fire, and it's your turn.
It's my turn, oh I almost forgot, but I gotta blow up the spot like I was Robocop. Ooh, nice.
Yeah, look at that over there. Hope you didn't see me or kinda heard.
I seen you kinda stare, but it was alright cause you didn't rip out your hair.
I didn't rip out my hair, but I think I might because look at that. I think I wanna bite.
Line for line and you're still checking it out, but we're still spitting rhymes, man, you know what we about.
Yeah, you know what we about. Me and my boy Eddie. I think the track's done. Let me check, B.
Mic check 1, 2, homie.